Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to say goodbye to a good friend. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? BTM here, and in today's video I'm going to tell you why I'm sending back this Samsung S24 Ultra. Now I have to say, this is probably the best Android smartphone that was ever created. The screen is excellent, the performance is outstanding, the build quality is top notch, the experience is beautiful, it feels good in your hand. There are so many different things that I can say about this particular phone that are positive, but it has one thing that I cannot deal with. And I'm going to tell you why. Now think about this. Imagine your doctor coming to you and he gives you a medication. And this medication is supposed to make you feel stronger, get your testosterone levels up, make you even more handsome, build your muscles or whatever. All of these things are nice and all of these things might be beneficial. So he say, hold on, I'm going to give you some free samples here. So you go ahead on and test those out. You take the samples. Next thing you know, hey, I feel better. My muscles are getting bigger. Testosterone levels going up. I feel great. But now you're hooked. And he said, and then since you're hooked, now he wants you to pay a monthly subscription cost for it. But he didn't tell you how much it was going to be. He didn't tell you how long you was going to have to pay, if there was going to be different tier levels for it or whatever. He just said, go ahead on, try it out, and then we'll see. So you try it out and you like it, but all of a sudden now he comes back and he wants to charge you a subscription rate. Well, that's exactly what Samsung is going to do with the S24 Ultra. They're going to get you hooked on all of these AI features, generative AI features that might very well be beneficial. But in the long run, guess what? Samsung is going to make a lot of money and you're going to be paying forever. Why? Because you got hooked on that candy, that AI generative candy that they're giving you. So until they come up with some complete pricing and let me know exactly what the tier levels are, how much they're going to charge, how long I'm going to have to pay, what the subscription rate is going to be, I'm not going to buy one. So I'm sending mine back and then I'll see in the future. Now there is one caveat. If this thing goes down so low and so cheap, then it would make it feasible for me to buy it, then I'll get it. But other than that, no way, Jose. So that's all I want to say about why I'm sending back my Samsung S24 Ultra, the best Android smartphone probably ever created, and one that I love a lot. But no, you got to go. All right, in the comment section, let me know if you agree with me. Do you think that Samsung was wrong for trying to get us hooked on a product, not telling us what it's going to cost in the future, not telling us what tier levels they're going to have, not telling us how long the subscription is going to be? If you think that they was wrong for doing this, hit me up in the comment section. I'd like to know what your thoughts are. I'm Bertrand. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll see me in the next video. Now, if you like this video, you might like this video up here where I compare the 3 different phones.